Hi, this is Belinda Brown with Equanimity Executive. Thank you very much for joining and for listening to this short video. It will talk about personal branding from the inside. Do you feel stuck in your career or in your life? Have you applied for this new role and was discarded when you have all the qualifications? Was your last raise not up to what you feel you deserve? You, like many other women, have tried everything to be recognized and valued by your clients or your organization, and regardless of how you perform, it still feels it's not enough to be noticed. So, you have done everything right, but it is time for you to do things differently. So here are 3 tips to break through and get the career and the life you deserve. You will have to identify and break out of the self-limitation mold. Self-limitation is underestimated, and we women look at external circumstances as our only limitation. By looking inside and identifying your potential blind spot and self-limitation patterns, you can easily correct them. And this is on you. You get your power back. So what are the stories that you are telling yourself about your career of your life? How much do they affect your ability to show up in life or at work? What if your leader did not see at all what you were doing because you do not articulate your performance as well as your colleagues? So, tip number 1, identify and break out of your own self-limitation. This is critical. Most of the women that I'm coaching go through this process because, of course, external circumstances exist. But today, what I have noticed, it's 50% of their ability to perform and to get what they want depend on how they are perceiving themselves and how they are self-limiting themselves. Tip number 2, recognize and use your feminine power. How many times did I coach my female clients on emotions? Countless times. And once they embrace emotions as flags or signals that their values have not been honored or met, they gain a competitive advantage. So knowing and owning your own emotion enable you greater awareness and self-mastery, which is totally different from control. Most of women want to control their emotion and refrain those emotions when actually we can, as women, use those emotions to have leverage and an edge on everything that we want to accomplish. Tip number 3, define success on your own terms. Whether it's men or women, we have been living according to expectations of others. The society has decided who we should be, what we should do, when we should do it, and how we should even do it. Women have the tendency to espouse the role that was defined for them in addition to manage to lead a career. It is important to define success on your own terms so you prevent internal conflict, guilt, and other draining and disempowering emotions leading you to exhaustion and even apathy. So I hope that those 3 tips will help you to break through and get the career and the life that you deserve. If you want to get more, feel free to attend one of our workshops. Diane Diaz and myself will facilitate those workshops publicly, but also for your organization if you feel that you have a need and you want women in your organization to get more empowered and to get what they deserve and continue to break the glass ceiling, because all of us will benefit from this. So thank you very much for listening. Look up our website and check if you can attend our next workshop in Orlando. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Bye-bye.